everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial with the lovely Bethany Jade. I'll put the link in the description of where you can find her. So today I'm showing you occasion hair. Now I know a lot of you sort of struggle with the, back comb or curling or, making it look nice, making it stay in for the day. So I think you'll love this because it's a really simple technique. Anybody can have a go, which, as you know me, I love videos where anybody can have a go. So let's get started. Now I've decided that I want some bits down for this style, with it being more occasion hair, just to kind of soften it. But a top tip I'd always say is leave down a little bit more, because you can always pin it into the style afterwards, but you can't pull down extra strands because you'll mess the style up. So at the end, if I feel like that's a bit thick, I can easily just grab some strands and pin them up. So I'm going to go with about that much. So you're going to start with this section of hair here. So there's the part line here. And I'm just going to put a teeny tiny bit of back comb in. Optional this is, guys. Just a little bit just here. And then make sure you just brush over the top layer. And then roughly, I'm going to get my fingers and just grab that hair. So I'm just going to pop that in. You can get these from eBay or Amazon. Just want the really fine little elastics. So there we go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put a hole through this, okay? But try not to get your finger and go like that and create a real part line. I'm almost going to go kind of like diagonal with my finger a little bit. And then this piece is just going to pop back through. Like that. Next I'm going to hold on to this piece here and I'm going to tease out. Next you're going to take your fingers, and I like to kind of wiggle my fingers so it's not a perfect line. 2 strands of hair, and again I'm going to pop another elastic. I'm not going to do it too close to the head because we've got to do our little flip through, remember. So about there I think will be fine. And again you're just going to lift it up and flick it through. Tease out these centre bits. And again guys, we're going to take these slices of hair. So I just want to let you know as well that not only am I taking these slices from the side, I am now also kind of, not this top pony, but the pony underneath, I am adding little bits from there too. It just makes a chunkier sort of twist in the middle. So I kind of like a little bit of hair out at the bottom, so I'm just going to take these 2 strands up and pin them out the way. I might decide against keeping them out in a minute, but I prefer to just put them there to see. Totally optional. Now, loads and loads of things you can do here. You could braid the hair, pin it, you could do a twist braid like that and pin it. I think I'm just going to, I'm loving knots at the minute. I just love how easy they are, so I'm just going to kind of knot the hair like so. Put a little elastic in, and then I'm just going to kind of tuck that up and tease it out. So I'm just going to pin that in at the bottom there. So I'm just having a look at the front of the style now, guys, and I think that's a little bit heavy with this hair down, so I'm just taking this strand, putting it into the hair. Okay, that's our style finished. I'm going to do a spin so you can see from all angles. I'm really loving this one. So let me know if you think this is a style that you could try yourself. If you'd like to see a DIY version, you can head over to my friend Anne's channel, Two Little Girls Hairstyles, and she'll show you how to do that. And I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.